Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe up to turn off your device. Once your phone turns off, you can hold the power button and volume up again. Let go of the power button once you see the Mi logo on the screen. And there we go. As you can see, we are now in the main menu for our recovery mode. And here we have only three options. We have reboot, takes us back to Android, wipe data, which allows us to factory reset the device, as you can see. So we have wipe all data. And then we have connect with Mi Assistant, which is just an application. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option. So, by the way, I didn't mention this, you can navigate through the menu using volume buttons, as you can see, and power button is used to confirm whatever is selected. Okay, so now with that in mind, we can reboot the device. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.